Hello guys, it's TessyE here. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, All Things TessyE. If today is your first time coming to my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you're welcome. So today's video is how to do a bun with your natural hair when you're struggling with the natural hair stage of awkward length. Okay, so that's this video. And let me see if I can put it up because I've been doing a lot of low bun with my natural hair because I'm still at the awkward stage with my natural hair. It still fall weird, so the shape is all over the place and I don't want to do any trimming right now. This is the awkward length phase and I'm trying to put it in a high little bun. Let me stop talking and let's hop right into the video. Just roughly so that I can spritz. This is just plain water. Just to spray it around my edges, all around. A little oil to seal the water and give it a little shine. I'm not using gel, I'm using mousse. Okay. Now I can fluff it out. Just fluff it and leave it like this, but no. I need a little bit of structure. Okay. I think I'm done. I just need to set the hair and handle my edges. So I'm using this edge control for my edges. Now I need my scarf to set the hair. and I'll wait for about 15 minutes and I'll be back with the finished look. I don't think it's up to 15 minutes yet, but I can take it out now. Okay, I'm all done, and there is no gel here. It's just my edge control and mousse. Okay, that's what I use, and I like it. I hope you like it. I can put my hair in a bun or puff, however you prefer to calling it, bun or puff. Okay, so my hair is in a puff round. And I did this style on an old wash and go without no gel, just water, mousse and oil. That's what I use. Okay, so if you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below on the comment section. Let's connect on the comment section. You can as well share this video. Okay, and thank you guys so much to my new subscribers and to my day one subscriber. I appreciate you all so much. Until then, see you on my next video. Bye.